Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 28th of November, 2023. After 2 days of mildly negative close, the Indian benchmark indices made a strong close in yet another volatile session on November 28th, with the Nifty surpassing 19,900 led by buying in oil and gas, power, auto, and metal names. At close, the Sensex was up 204.16 points, or 0.31% at 66,174.20, and the Nifty was up 95.00 points, or 0.48% at 19,889.70. The biggest gainers on the Nifty were Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Tata Motors, BPCL and Coal India, while losers were Eicher Motors, Apollo Hospitals, ICICI Bank, ITC, and Cipla. Talking about the corporate segment, we have the Multi-Commodity Exchange of India stock surged more than 6% on November 28 to hit a fresh 52-week high of 3,169.55 rupees on the National Stock Exchange. The gain for the stock, which has been removed from the NSE F&O ban list, comes after the company shared the details of the board's decision to recover technology costs for the old platform from its subsidiary, Multi-Commodity Exchange Clearing Corporation Limited. Shares of NETWEB Technologies soared 8% on November 28 after the company announced a collaboration with American chip giant NVIDIA. The company will act as a manufacturing partner for NVIDIA's Grace CPU superchip and GH200 Grace Hopper superchip MGX server designs. The initiative of Make in India by NVIDIA to support the PMO vision is a great beginning. It will bring locally manufactured cutting-edge technologies at par with global standards, NETWEB CMD Sanjay Lodha was quoted as saying. NETWEB also stated that the company's collaboration with NVIDIA will also give a boost to the government's Make in India mission. Shares of Spencer's Retail were trading nearly 5% higher on November 28, driven by plans to reduce debt. At 10:30 a.m., the stock for Spencer's Retail was trading at 77.40 rupees. In a filing, Spencer's Retail said that its subsidiary Nature's Basket is expected to reduce its debt in due course by 100 rupees crore, approximately, through a mix of loan restructuring and repayment of loans. The company added that the sale of a certain part of company's minority stake is also under consideration, and Spencer's business will take some more time to generate net profit. Nature's Basket is expected to have positive EBITDA during the current year. Shares of CELLO World rallied nearly 5% on November 28 after the company reported a 4.5% growth in profit on quarterly basis. At 10:09 a.m., the stock was trading at 786 rupees on the NSE. The consumerware manufacturer has recorded a 4.5% sequential growth in consolidated net profit at 86.6 rupees crore for the quarter ended September financial year 2024, despite a narrow operating margin, supported by other income. KPI Green Energy's share price rose 1.5% to hit the 52-week high of 1,264.95 rupees in the early trade on November 28 after the company's subsidiary bagged new solar power plant orders. Sundrops Energia Private Limited received new orders of 4.66 megawatts for executing solar power projects under captive power producer segment. The projects are scheduled to be completed in the financial year 2024-25 in various tranches, the company said. Adani Total Gas Limited in daily time frame is trading around 644.20 points with a change of 19.97% and is trading with a net volume of around 13.383 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 558.15, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.03. Adani Energy Solutions Limited in daily time frame is trading around 865.10 points with a change of 18.65% and is trading with a net volume of around 9.792 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 761.65, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.65. Shamaru Entertainment Limited in daily time frame is trading around 166.90 points with a change of 14.32% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.362 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 149, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.84. For the stock recommendation we have, Gabriel India Limited looks good and can be bought at 413, keeping a stop loss of 397 rupees and a target of 425.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.